Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI tool. Here you can go and type Adobe Firefly. You can open this official website, this one. And now we need to create a free account. Here you can see this one, sign in button. Then scroll down, you can easily create your account with Gmail, with Facebook and Apple. So let me select this one, continue with Google. Now account is created. Here you can see these are different tools that you can use. So let me select this one. Here you can add any of the prompt. So we can use ChatGPT to create a prompt. Here I can open it. Create a simple prompt to create a video for flying taxi. Then press enter. Within couple of seconds it will create a prompt. Here we can copy this one. Let's go back and add this prompt here. After that you can select the model. Here you can select image as well as video. So let me select this one, video. Then scroll down, click here this button. On the left side here you can select the resolution. So let me select this one, 720. Then you can select the aspect ratio. Okay, now video is ready. Here we can play this video. That looks fine. After that click here download button.